Understanding, grilled to the bone, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase, grilled to the bone. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Grilled to the bone is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone is being questioned very intensely or thoroughly, often in a way that feels relentless or exhaustive. The imagery here is quite vivid. It suggests questioning that goes deep, down to the bone, symbolizing a level of scrutiny that leaves no stone unturned. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, though it's more commonly found in casual conversation. While the exact origins of grilled to the bone are unclear, it's believed to derive from the culinary world where grilled refers to cooking something with intense heat. Over time, this concept of applying intense heat was metaphorically extended to describe the act of being subjected to intense questioning or examination. The addition of to the bone emphasizes the depth and thoroughness of the process. To use grilled to the bone effectively in conversation, it's important to understand its connotation and context. Here are a few examples. After a mistake at work, my boss grilled me to the bone about what went wrong. In a legal context, the lawyer grilled the witness to the bone, trying to uncover the truth. During a job interview, I was grilled to the bone about my qualifications and experience. In each of these examples, the phrase vividly conveys the idea of being intensely questioned or examined. There are several related idioms and expressions that carry a similar meaning, such as put through the ringer or interrogate thoroughly. Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and help you better express the intensity of a situation. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of grilled to the bone. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express ourselves more vividly. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase or idiom you master brings you one step closer to fluency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.